Good evening, everybody. KB5 MIQ Big Boy. We're going to do a little bonus video this week. As y'all may know, MTC put their mystery boxes on sale last night, and I was watching Richard's live, and since I missed the last one, the minute he said about the mystery boxes, I quit watching the live, went to the website, and ordered mine. Good thing I did. He sold 75 in 54 minutes. I hadn't opened this one up yet. Is what I paid for. We're going to see what we get in it. So y'all can watch me together. We'll unbox this together. I got it this morning. It's sealed up. I've been wanting to look at it all day and hadn't had a chance to. So let's see what we got in the mystery box. I won't cut myself. All right, everybody. We'll start pulling this stuff out. Whoo, this thing is packed. Get a good shot of the inside there. Let me get some glasses on so I can see everything as it comes out. Looks like we got a lot of paracord. Always use paracord. 2, 3, 4, 5 sets of paracord. Alright. And with a bonus, with each mystery box purchase, you get a coupon code that's good on future orders up to January 31st. If buying multiple boxes, keep in mind that coupon codes can't be obtained on the same order. Coupon must be used on our website to January 31st, 2024. One coupon code per new order. The coupon code is Christmas 2023. So there's my coupon that comes with it. All right, let's see what all we got here. Alright, we got a, looks like a TYT, which looks like it will work on a UV5R, a set of software to program one with. Got 2 of them. Got 3 of them, alright. We got, can't have too many of these. Here's a PL259, always need those. And what is this? A stubby antenna for your talkie. Always use that. We got an audio cable. Wow, that audio cable's $24.99. Professional audio cable. I know a couple of people in the ham radio business that are guitar players that might could use that. That's cool. That's worth it right there. Got a roll of tape. Got a I really don't know what that is. I've seen him sell these before. It's supposed to be some kind of waterproof connector for a cable connector. Honestly, I'm not sure what that is. One of you guys may have to tell me, but I think it's a waterproof cable connector. If I don't break it, put it up there. All right. Okay, got a set of stereo headphones. Cool. These got a $22.99 retail price on them, and I'm just halfway to the bottom of the box. Let's keep going. Custom paint. Pro Graphics paint. Huh. That's a $29.95 can of paint. That's some expensive paint. $29.95 for a $29.95 box. Power cable. Radio power cable. Oh, jumper leads. Man, you can't ever have enough of these when you're working on radios of any kind. Or any kind of electronic. Belt clip, talkie belt clip. Another RCA type cable. white box with nothing on the label of it. Let's see what's in it. I don't know what in the world that is. Huh, it's a little radio. I'll be there. A little bitty AM FM radio. Transistor radio. Running out of room to stack stuff. Desolder pump. You use a soldering iron, you always use them. Got a AC adapter. I'll have to get my magnifying glass to see the output on that, but AC adapter. Communication system cable. $2.99 cable. Another one of those RCA connectors on it. Charge and sync cable for Apple devices for AT&T. It's $14.99 price tag on that. Oh, cool. Oh, this is an end connector. That's neat. End connector. $6.99 on that one. Alright. Got another one of them TYT programming cables. That's 4 of them so far. A communications plate for an outlet cover. An ICOM Vox push to talk. Like that. Another one of those communication plates. Cigarette lighter, or no, it's not a cigarette lighter, that's not politically correct. 20 amp outlet adapter for your car with a USB to charge your phone with in your car. Got another AC adapter. Got a USB flash drive, $24.95 price tag on it. What else we got here? Got another one of these little talkie antennas. Another one of the 20 amp outlet USB phone chargers. And the digital multimeter, which that right there is worth the cost of the box. Real cool digital multimeter. He's been talking about these for a while. All right, MTC, thank you. That's a great deal. That really is. Some good stuff there. I'm sure I'll be using some of that for giveaways, and I got couple of ham guys that are playing a band that may sure can use that audio cable. Guys, big shout out to MTC for doing the mystery boxes. Thank y'all. That's a great deal for a lot of people. Y'all be sure to check them out for their used gear and everything else. And hopefully after the first year, they'll come on here with a lot bigger and better things coming toward us. Hope everybody has a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And this is KB5 MIQ Big Boy 73.